Hey guys, I'm traveling around Europe for the next 5 weeks and I wanted to show you how I'm doing it with just a carry-on.
The best way to save space and organize your stuff is to get some packing cubes. So I just got a set on Amazon and I will link everything down below. So this is the largest one and it has most of my clothes in it. So in here I have 5 dresses, I have a jumpsuit, a bodysuit, about 5 different shirts, a long sleeve top, a pair of jeans, 2 pairs of shorts, and some tank tops. And then in this packing cube I have my bathing suits, underwear, and socks. And then in this packing cube I have some shoes. So I decided to bring sneakers, which I'm going to be wearing on the plane, some waterproof Birkenstocks, some shoes which still have the tag on them, just some small heels, and then some other sandals. And then I have my toiletry bag. So a major travel tip that I have is to use soap bars. So I actually have a shampoo bar. This is by a company called Unwrapped Life. So I have the shampoo bar, I also have their conditioner bar, and I'm also bringing the Lavami charcoal facial soap, which can also double as a body soap. So these won't count as liquids because they are like solid bars, so that saves some room for more of my liquids. I also brought as little makeup as I could, so everything fits in this bag pretty much. I brought some probiotics, very important when you're traveling and eating a bunch of different foods. I have my curling wand and my hairbrushes, and this is pretty much what's going in my carry-on. I almost forgot, I also packed some extra bags. So I have like a laundry bag and a clear plastic bag just for dirty clothes or any wet things. And then I have a couple different locks if I ever need to lock up my things. And of course, some snacks and some vitamins. And this is what I'm packing in my backpack. I have my sunglasses, I have a flat water bottle. This is really nice because it doesn't take up any room in my bag, and it's foldable too. My headphones, I have my travel passport holder, I have a printout of all my travel documents, my laptop, more snacks, some gum. I'm putting my jewelry in my backpack, and all of my liquids I am putting in my backpack just so it's easy for me to take out when I'm going through security and I don't have to take it out of my carry-on. I'm bringing some pens, always bring pens on the plane. I'm bringing a little baggie full of my chargers and other electronic accessories, a wallet that I'm going to be using while I'm away. And that is pretty much it. Oh, and the camera that I'm filming this with, which you obviously can't see. Okay guys, that's it. I am all packed for 5 weeks in Europe. I hope you enjoyed watching, and please subscribe if you want to see my upcoming Europe vlogs. Bye!